गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट एंड वेलकम इन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। कल हमने क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फिशेस का फर्स्ट पार्ट देखा था, जिसके अंदर हमने उनके जनरल कैरेक्टर्स एंड द एक्सटेंट क्लास प्लेकोडर्म्स के बारे में स्टडी कर लिया था। अब हम सेकंड क्लास the second class is chondroichthyes. Chondroichthyes means cartilaginous fishes. The general character of chondroichthyes are the endoskeleton is formed of cartilage and bony structure is present only in the vertebral column as is reported in the sharks. The placoid scales are present, tooth-like dermal denticles in the skin, and in some fishes the skin is naked. Absence of operculum in holocephalian. This is the order of these chondroichthyes. The gill opening are covered by a operculum flap. The gills are of lamellar type. Nasal opening is double and usually single on each side. Tail is usually heterocircle type and mouth ventral. In some living forms, the sutures are absent in the skull and swim bladder is also absent. This class Chondroichthyes is divided into subclasses Elasmobranchi and Holocephali. The first we study the characters of the Elasmobranchi. These Elasmobranchi have 5 pair of gill openings separately open into the exterior. Body is covered by the placoid scale. Tail is mostly heterocircle type. Spiracle is present. Spiral valve present in the intestine and highly concentrate of urea and trimethylamine oxide in the blood. Little water is drunk by the marine Elasmobranchi and some water entered through the gill. Hence, little amount of urine is formed. In this Elasmobranchi, little urine is formed. Males with the pelvic claspers and jaw suspension mostly hyostelic type. These are the general character of the Elasmobranchi. The example of these Elasmobranchi are the sharks and rays and snakes. स्कॉलिडॉन फिर जिसके बारे में हम बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, स्कॉलिडॉन सबने देखी है, एंड ट्रायोडेन और राइनोवेटस. दे आर मोस्टली मराइन एंड हाईली प्रेडेटर्स. Some Elasmobranchi have entered into the river and lakes and live permanently here. So that they are freshwater also. Uh, Next is this subclass Elasmobranchi is divided into 3 orders: Caledosyllaceae, Syllaceae and Batoidea. These Caledosyllaceae means the Caledo means branch and Sylach matlab shark. Branch sharks are the members of the Caledosyllaceae. They are abundant in the Carboniferous period. They are living in the Carboniferous period. The elongated body possesses terminal mouth. Presence of 2 dorsal fin. The large pectoral fin has broad base. This is the large pectoral fin with broad base. This is the pectoral fin. The caudal fin is nearly symmetrical externally. The teeth are cladodont, branch tooth type. They have no anal fin. They have predaceous marine sharks like fishes. The example of this is Caledosyllaceae. This is the diagram of Caledosyllaceae. Next order is Syllaceae. They are generally sharks. The living sharks and rays are included under the order Syllaceae. All sharks are in this group. The body is fusiform and elongated body, mostly cartilaginous endoskeleton. Tail is heterocircle type. Presence of external gill slit and first gill slit is reduced and form a small opening called spiracle, and males with the clasper. They are the example of this Syllaceae are the shark, Scolidons and Squalus, etc. The third order is Batoidea, in which the body is dorsoventrally flattened. Gills opening ventrally placed. This is the diagram of these two diagrams are of from the Bitodia. The body is dorsoventrally flattened. The gill opening ventrally placed. Gills are ventrally. The anterior margin of the pectoral fin is fused with the side of the body. This is the pectoral fin and this is fused with the side of the body. No anal fin is present. Dorsal fin is, if present, placed from behind and tail is heterosulcal. The examples of these are the rays and skates are the example of this Poetidia. Torpedo is come in this order. Next is second subclass of this chondroichthyes fishes is holocephaly. Holocephaly fishes have four pair gill opening and protected by a fleshy operculum. This is the operculum present in these fishes. Body is naked, but cephalic clasper retain placoid scales. Tail is absent in the adult but is present in the young. The spiracle is absent in the adult but present in the young. The spiral valve is absent. Jaw suspension is holostellic type. This holocephaly is divided into two orders, Bradydonti and Clymeria. This Bradydonti Paleozoic extinct form recorded in Upper Devonian period. The group is mainly represented by a tooth plate. This is the diagram of Bradydonti. The group is mainly represented by tooth plate. The teeth are simple with the broad flat crown and the teeth are replaced very slowly than Elasmobranchi. The example of this Bradydontus. The second order is Clymeria. The characters of this Clymerias are the presence of the crushing tooth plate, absence of the two centra, presence of the persistent notochord surrounded by a partially calcified ring, and platochordate is fused with the neurocharium holostellic type of. This is the red fish. We know Crymeria or elephant fish are the example of Crymeria. Next is the third class. The third class is Osteoichthyes. Osteo means bone and ichthyes means fish. The bony fishes are called Osteoichthyes. The characteristic features are the skeleton is partially or largely formed by the bony structures. The body covered by the dermal, ganoid, cycloid and a ctenoid scales. The gill remain in a pouch covered by a bony operculum. The gills of this filamentous type, the tail is mainly homocircle type. The swim bladder is present in most form except benthic feeders and deep fishes form. And mouth terminal. Clasper is absent in the male. The spiracle is absent except in some primitive form Accipenser and Polypterus, जो कि हम आगे देखेंगे इनके ऑर्डर्स के अंदर. On Osteoichthyes और Chondroichthyes में these are the basic differences जो होते हैं वो यही है कि इसके अंदर टर्मिनल माउथ प्रेजेंट होता है, ओपरकुलम प्रेजेंट होता है एंड स्विम ब्लैडर इज प्रेजेंट इन Osteoichthyes. These are the basic difference between Osteoichthyes and Chondroichthyes fishes. The class Osteoichthyes is divided into two subclasses. First is Actinotergai and Sarcotergai. The first we study the subclass Actinotergai. These are called as ray fin fishes. The characteristic features are the fins are membranous and supported by a jointed radiating ring. So they are called the ray fin fishes. Internal nostrils are absent and platochordate are not fused with the cranium. Subclass is divided into three superorders called Condiostyi, Holiostyi and Teleostyi. The first we study the superclass Chondro. Chondro means cartilaginous, osteon means bones. The cartilage and bone are present in these fishes. Both cartilaginous and bone is present in these fishes. Internal structure skeleton is mainly cartilaginous, but little bone present. Heterocircle type of tail is present. Spiral worm valve is in the intestine. Scales are covered by a layer of ganoin. The spiracle present in these fishes. The example of these fishes are the bichir polypterus, accipenser, and paddlefish. These are the diagram of the polypterus. This is the accipenser and this is paddlefish. These are the intermediate of cartilaginous and bony fishes. Next is the second superorder is holostyi. Holes mean whole. The whole body is made up of bone. The internal skeleton bony. The whole body is of bony type. तो इसके अंदर abbreviated heterocircle tail present होती है with the rounded in outline in amia. This is the amia. इसके अंदर यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो ये राउंडेड इसके अंदर कॉर्डल फिन प्रेजेंट होता है, लेकिन इसके अंदर फिन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं केवल यहाँ तक वर्टिबल कॉलम इसमें प्रेजेंट होता है. देन नॉट सब डिवाइडेड इन लेपिडोस्टेरा. इसके अंदर इसको ये जो कॉर्डल फिन है ये इसके अंदर जो है सब डिवाइडेड होती है. तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एमिया एंड द लेपिडोस्टेरा. The body covered with the cycloid scale in amia and rhomboid scales in the lepidostera. Generally the scales have lost their shiny ganoid covering in this holostylis. The gap in the mouth is very small, spiracle absent. The example of these holostyi are the amia and the garpipe. Garpipe is the common name of Lepidosterus. Next is third superorder Teleostyi. These are the body covered with the thin cycloid or ctenoid scales. The homocircle type of tail is present. Small paired fins are present and large maxilla which take part in the formation of upper jaw. Spiracle is absent. The member of teleosteres originate in the ocean but later invented freshwater environment. They are the edible fishes. Mainly they are edible fishes. जैसे कि इसके अंदर labio and cutla. These is the diagram of the labio and cutla. This is the third teleostyi fish, angula. Next is the second subclass are sarcotergite. These are called the fleshy या low fins fishes. The scales of these sarcotergites are the cosmod type. The internal nostrils are present in some group. The fleshy low paired fins are present. जैसा कि इस डायग्राम में दिख रहा है फिश के अंदर कि these fins have lobed. These fins are lobed. Intestine with the spiral valve. It consists of two orders. इसके अंदर दो ऑर्डर प्रेजेंट हैं, Crossopterygii and Dipnoi. This Crossopterygii is the body covered with the large cycloid scale. इसके ऊपर large cycloid scale present है with the enameled surface and the tail is divercircle with the median lobe. इसकी अगर टेल को देखें तो इसके अंदर जनरली टेल्स जो है वो दो में डिवाइडेड होती है, एपीसर्कल एंड हाइपोसर्कल. इसके अंदर एक मीडियन टाइप ऑफ फिन इज आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन द कॉर्डल रीजन. दिस इज द मीडियन फिन. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ टू डॉर्सल फिन which have the posterior one has a fleshy lobe. The paired fins have also fleshy lobe. These two dorsal fins have one of the dorsal lip have this fleshy lobe. The presence of an internal nostril teeth with a labyrinth structure, and respiration is performed by the gills. The swim bladder is highly reduced. इसके अंदर swim bladder जो है वो reduce होता है. It is neither heterostatic nor a respiratory organ. Example, Latimeria. This is the example of this cross of tergai. The second order is Dipnoi. These are called as the lungfishes. The body is covered by a large, thin cycloid scales. Isocircle and protocircle type of tail is present. The single caudal fin is present. The presence of two internal nostrils, single dorsal fin which is continuous with the caudal fin, जैसा कि इन diagrams में दिखाया जा रहा है. The caudal fin with the basal fleshy structure. The swim bladder is modified into lungs which is used in the respiration, so that they are called as lungfishes. The small denticle are fused to form crushing tooth plate. Then dermal bones on the skull. Dermal bones are present on the skull. These are the example of these diploid fishes are the lungfish, the Protopterus which is found in the America, the Lepidosiren, this is found in the South America, and Neoceratus, this is found in the Australia. This is the diagram of these fishes: Australian lungfish, South American lungfish, and African lungfishes. This is all over the classification of fishes. Then the next topic of our lecture is classification of amphibia. Thank you very much.